IIT series question number 29, first part. Find the speed of sound in a mixture of 1 mole of helium and 2 moles of oxygen at 27 degrees centigrade. Part 2. If the temperature is raised by 1 Kelvin from 300 Kelvin, find the percentage change in the speed of sound in the gaseous mixture. Take R equal to 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin. Let's consider the solution. So molecular weight of mixture M mixture will be equal to N1 M1 plus N2 M2 divided by N1 plus N2. Here number of moles of helium is 1 and its atomic weight is 4 plus number of moles of oxygen is 2 and its atomic weight is 32 divided by 1 plus 2. So that gives 68 divided by 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg per mole. Now we consider CV of mixture. So it will be equal to N1 CV1 plus N2 CV2 divided by N1 plus N2. Now we put the values. Since helium is monoatomic gas, so its CV will be 3 by 2R plus N2 number of moles of oxygen 2, and it is diatomic gas, so its CV will be 5 by 2R divided by 1 plus 2. So this will give 13R divided by 6. Now we find CP. CP of mixture will be equal to CV of mixture plus R. This is from the fact CP minus CV equal to R. So it will become 13R by 6 plus R, which is equal to 19R by 6. Now we find gamma of mixture. So it is Cp upon Cv, 19R by 6 whole divided by 13R by 6, which is equal to 19 by 13. Now we find V, velocity of mixture. So that is root of gamma of mixture times R times T divided by M mixture. We put the values. So 19 by 13 multiplied by 8.31 into temperature. Temperature is 27 degrees centigrade or 300 Kelvin. 300 divided by 68 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 3, which will give 400.9 meter per second. Now let's consider second part. V equal to root of gamma RT upon M. This can be written as root of gamma R upon M multiplied by root T. We can differentiate it, so we will get dV equal to root of gamma R upon M multiplied by, this will give 1 by 2 T power minus half dt. So we find dV upon V, that will be equal to 1 by 2 dt upon T. So percentage change, dV upon V into 100 will be equal to 1 by 2 dt upon T into 100. We put the values. So 1 by 2 dt is given 1 Kelvin. So 1 divided by T is given 300 Kelvin into 100. Two zeros will cancel out. 1 by 6, which is equal to 0.167%, which is our answer. Thank you.